Well, I would say that the infrastructure maintenance team is extremely far-reaching just based on the scope of the work that we do. So every day, every single citizen in the city, and I mean every single citizen, will interact with a piece of infrastructure that ultimately we are accountable to maintain. My name is Darren Tensoni, and I'm with the infrastructure maintenance team. Within the infrastructure maintenance team, we ensure that the assets that are part of the city are usable and enjoyable by our citizens.
Accountability is participating to that open discussion and also sharing the responsibility. So we work extensively to improve our way to do business and to maximize and optimize our work. So we set up some key performance indicators, and he was able to set up those numbers so they can be reached on a weekly basis.
We have implemented something that the scope of which didn't exist before. Certainly we've been measuring things for some time, but I think we've, in a very short period of time, because we've got a very new team, have been able to raise the bar quite significantly within this specific area. But what most excites me, and I think what is most exciting to the team, is what we're going to do with the information that we've gathered so that we can make better decisions and ultimately improve the level of service that we're providing for our citizens.